This is my barometer. Wake up, she's right next to the bed, right where I sleep. That's how I know it's coming and how we know it's bad around here. She'll be okay. Django's in here too. Hanging, taking care of everybody. The thunder is continuous. I mean, it's rolling thunder. It's not stopping. It's been going for about 2 minutes. And the rain is just crazy. It's still crazy rain. Lightning hasn't been too bad, just frequent. But the thunder, boy, it is crazy long thunder. The wind's calmed down a little bit, but it's been gusting and coming back. Very, very high wind.